All right, so we are going to take something that's very, very similar to what we did last time and then just kind of add one more step. But I just want to talk about my uncle William joined the Army, and he found that he really hated one phrase. Like all the time, people in the Army or military say something like, fire at will. And he always hated that, drove him nuts. So we are going to be now taking these same expressions that we did before, except instead of one variable, we're going to have two, but everything else stays the same. So for this top expression, I'm going to use black here. So I take this, remember, has that dot in there that means multiplication, even though it's not seen. So we're going to go 2 times m, which is 3, minus n, which in this case is 4. 2 times m, well, that's 6. Minus 4, well, that's 2. And that's it. So then here, for the same type of problem, we can go 2 times 1 minus n, which is 1. So then it's 2 minus 1, and it's just 1. And that's it. Similar ideas, except now we have c's and y's. 3 times c minus 2 times y. Well, 3 times c, which is also 3, minus 2 times y, which is 4. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 4, which is 8. So this answer is 1. Down here, 3 times c, which is 6, minus 2 times y, which is 2. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. Okay, if you can do that, you can do pretty much everything. Now, we'll start working with some types of story problems. So, you've decided to create a lemonade stand over the summer. You sell C cups with a profit of P, meaning your cups are represented by the C and the profit or how much money you make is represented by P. Using the equation below, how much profit do you have if you sell 50 cups? Now, throughout all of this information up here, all we actually really care about is 50 cups. And so we take that into this equation. We're trying to find P, so our profit equals 0.25 times 50 minus 8. Well, to do 0.25 times 50, we have to do this. So we're going to have 2 decimal places. So that's 0 and 0. Put our x here. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10. This is 12. So we get 0, 5, 2, 1. 1 decimal place goes right there. So we get 1250 minus 8. Well, that's 12 minus 8 is 4, and add the 50 cents on it. So it's $4.50. And I hope you look at that answer and go, what? You sell 50 cups of lemonade and you're only making $4.50. It kind of feels like you're getting robbed. But that's what the equation says. So you're going to obviously have to sell a lot more than 50. You open up a brand new savings account. The longer the money is in the bank, the more money you make, which is normal for any savings account. If your money is labeled M and the number of weeks is W, how much have you made if you left your money in for 3 months? And I hope that you look at this problem. The first thing you think about is if it's weeks is W and it's 3 months, we got to convert that. So we have to change that 3 months into 12 weeks because there is obviously 4 weeks in a month. And then we're going to put that 12 into the equation, if I don't drop my pen. So this becomes money is equal to 10 plus 4 times 12. 4 times 12, that's 48, plus 10. So that means we make $58. which is actually a lot better than, $4.50 from before. All right, so that should be everything. I think there are two different activities for this one.